What's up, YouTube? So I got a ton of products that I purchased from AliExpress. I'll let you know what I think, what I recommend, and what I don't recommend. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so all these items I bought from AliExpress. If you don't know what AliExpress is, it's basically a Chinese eBay. The only downside is it takes anywhere from 30 to 45 days to get most of these items because they do ship from China, but they do have good quality products there, and I've been buying from them since about 2012, I want to say. I have an order history clear back to then. So I have been buying there for a while. It is safe to buy. I've never had my credit card information stolen from. They do protect you if you don't receive your items. They'll give you your money back, from AliExpress. That's their kind of warranty that they have. Most of these products I recommend, some of them I don't, but let's go ahead and get into it and I will show you what I found. So first up is this little box that I have here in the corner. It just comes with basically nothing. The best thing to do is to stick rice down in the box, so when they open it up, they're kind of forced to open it. Alright, so obviously this is a gag gift, perfect for a white elephant party. I did it last year and it scared the shit out of people. As you can see, it makes a mess, and the best thing is it's only $2.64 shipped. So next up is another gag gift. What I did last year, it was funny as hell watching people's reaction. Get a shock pin like this, and basically what you want to do is just get a notebook that doesn't have any spindle like this one here. That way when they put it on top, it's rolling around. What they're going to want to do is naturally click that button, and it shocks the shit out of them, and it's funny as hell watching people's reaction. And it's only 87 cents shipped. Okay, so I bought this a couple of years ago at a white elephant party. Just kind of funny watching people's reaction. It's a pink silicone peeing device for females. Just funny watching people open it up and not realizing what the hell it is. Best of all, it's like 23 cents shipped. Alright, so here's the first product that I don't really recommend. It did work well, it did work as intended and as advertised. So basically what it is a wireless charging receiver, and it'll allow your phone to charge wirelessly if your phone does not support it. What I did not like about it was that it was just a little bit bulky. I mean, it is thin, but once you put the case on, you can kind of feel the bulkness of the pad. As far as the bottom side, it is pretty sleek. You can't really tell at all that there is anything in it. It protects, dust getting in the port. But from the side, it just was too bulky for me. And personally, I don't recommend it. But if you're okay with the bulk, then it did work well. Alright, so for those of you that own AirPods, this is a nice case to have. It protects it if it drops, and just protects it from getting scratched or dirty. Highly recommend it. I bought it for my wife. She liked the design. She thought it was cute, and it was really cheap. It was only $1.86, so I do recommend this product. Alright guys, so another product that I don't recommend. Don't worry, the good stuff's coming up. Just thought I'd throw this out there. I bought this from AliExpress, and they sell them on eBay, Amazon. So if you're looking to buy one of these, don't get it. I'm in the process of reviewing some others that I think that work really well compared to this, but they do cost more money. So these can damage your vehicle, and that's why I put it in the list. Do not buy these. Alright, so even if you don't have kids, I highly recommend this product, and here's why. It's $3.75. If you have nieces, if you have nephews, if you have kids that have friends, there's birthday parties throughout the whole year. Locally, these cost anywhere from $13 to $20 on eBay or Amazon. You can buy these for $3.75. We bought a bulk order last year, and we found ourselves using them throughout the whole year. It's a good universal gift, so you can give them to boys and girls, and they're actually really fun to play with, and they have a rechargeable battery, comes with everything that you need. You cannot go wrong with this product. Next on the list would make a perfect stocking stuffer. They're car air fresheners, and they come with these little cylinder things that you stick inside. Can't really focus in here, but they just have small little holes here. You can pop off this lid, stick the incense thing in there, and they come with like 4 different flavors you can choose from, and they work really well. You just stick them on your vent and you're good to go. Between the air freshener and the vent clip, you're looking about $2 a piece. Next on the list is this wireless charging pad. For $3.79, you really can't go wrong. It comes with a really short cord, but like I said, for the price, you can't beat that. The quality of it's kind of cheap. It's not the best quality product, but it does work well. And like I said, $3.79, you can get one for the whole family. Next up is my personal favorite of the list. I bought these for myself. I've been eyeballing them for a while. So you can see the case is actually pretty nice that it comes in. They come in different colors: dark blue, black, pink, and white. The specifications are pretty nice overall for the price. And the earbuds here that are in red, these are my own ones that I had. That was probably my #1 complaint, is the only ones they give you are these two black ones here, and then the ones that come on it. So there's only 2 different sizes. So everybody's anatomy is different. That is my complaint, is they didn't include more earbuds. Here's all the features that they have. Each button has each earpiece has a button that you can click on. And here's the case that they come in. So it's a really good case. It has a 300 milliamp battery, and it works really good. I think you can charge them up to like 3 or 4 times. The battery themselves last really long. When you pull them out, they're going to automatically go into a syncing mode to where they're available to connect to. And if you already have your phone paired to it, it's going to automatically pair to your phone as soon as you take the earpiece out. So as you can see here, there's an actual button that you click on that'll fast forward your track, pause it, play, whatever you want to do. As you put them back in, it's automatically going to disconnect from your phone. As you can see, they're charging. The 4 green dots show that the case itself is full. Micro USB on the back. I highly recommend this product. They were $32.99 shipped. Alright, so I know you've been eyeballing this box throughout the whole video. Yes, they are AirPod clones, and yes, they are very good quality. There are several out there that you can buy that are either too big, the features aren't there. When you open up the case, that little pop-up doesn't pop up, so you can just press connect. Unfortunately, I don't have them with me to review them because my wife took them to work. She loves them a lot. They work almost identical to the original EarPods. So highly recommend these. These were $30 shipped. I'll put in the link in the description below. Be sure to get them before somebody closes them down because they are almost identical to the originals. Alright, so I bought this next product for myself and for my mom. We both love them. They're solar powered, they're LED, and they just stick onto your fence post outside, and they're absolutely amazing. They look awesome, and they were 20 bucks for all 4. You can buy them at Costco, a little different design. I personally like these ones. They have a couple of colors to choose from as far as the light, the warm color, and the cold color. The box came a little damaged, but overall they were all in good shape. There was nothing that was broken, and I highly recommend this product. Alright, so next up is the Honor Band 4. As you can see, the LCD itself is really nice. The battery life is really good, and I actually recommend it more than the Fitbit. However, the biggest issue is that there's no way that you can compare with other people. Like, for example, our kids, we are all in competing against who gets the most steps. There's no options for that, and for that reason, I really can't recommend it to everybody, including myself. I like that feature. We like to compete against each other when we're going on walks throughout the week, on the weekend. As of now, there is no feature like that, and for that reason, I don't recommend it for everybody. If you're somebody that's just looking for a simple step counter, heart rate monitor, something that looks nice, has good battery life, then I highly recommend this product. Otherwise, stick with your Fitbit. Alright, last but not least is this Browning knife. I've already done a review on it, so if you need more information, go to that video. Otherwise, this knife is really good, high quality, and for 10 bucks, you can't beat that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button if you like, subscribe. Until next time, over and out.